Hey everybody, and happy Friday. Today we're going to be starting with lesson 7, the application problem. It's on page 53. So in this, you are going to be practicing fractions and decimals. And also this is a multi-step problem, and it's a real world context. Love that. All right, so we're going to get started here. As with any word problem, you got to make sure you understand what they are asking you before you start it. An orchard charges 85 cents to ship a quarter kilogram of grapefruit. Each grapefruit weighs approximately 165 grams. How much will it cost to ship 40 grapefruits? I'm going to highlight that. This is my key question. I'm going to be coming up with a monetary answer. How much is it? How much will it cost? So the orchard charges 85 cents to ship. Now remember, this is a quarter kilogram. A quarter kilogram would be 0.25 kg, or you can also write 1/4 kilogram, okay? So, and then each grapefruit weighs approximately 165 grams. I'm going to write down my key information. So grapefruit costs, and use the money sign, 0.85 cents to ship. Okay, and it can ship either a 0.25 kg, 0.5 kg. It can also be shown as 1/4 kg. Okay. Grapefruit. All right, and then the weight, okay, the weight is, as it said, 165 grams. And again, this is metric. So, you know, there's 1,000 kilograms in a gram, so don't forget that too. That's important to remember. 1,000 kilograms. 1,000 grams to 1 kg, okay? Grams are very small measurements, kind of like ounces, okay? So 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So let's get started. So we are going to figure out, first of all, we have to multiply 165 grams by 40 grapefruits. We're going to go 165 grams times 40. Okay, and you're going to set your problem up like this: 165 times 40. Check your work with a calculator anytime. With this 0 being in the ones place, I just bring it on down, then I move to the next number. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 2 is 26. Carry my 2, and that's 6. So that would be 6,600 grams. Now, what I'm going to do right away is I'm going to convert that to kilograms, because I want to have both measurements, because if I have kilograms, then I just have to divide that by 4, because there's fourths. So I just wanted, for myself, I'm just going to write this down here: 6,600 grams divided by 1,000, because there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. Remember what we do when we're dividing? We move that decimal place over 3 places. So I'm going to go 6, 6, 0, 0. When I'm dividing, the number's getting smaller, so there's my invisible decimal at the end. 1, 2, 3, and that's going to equal 6.6. Okay, so that's going to equal 6.6 kilograms. 6,600 grams equals 6.6 kilograms. Keep that in mind. All right. Next thing we're going to do, so we've figured out how many grams this is and how many kilograms it is. Okay, so we've already figured out part of it, part of our first step of the problem. Next thing we're going to do is, it says here, how much would it cost to ship a 1/4 kilogram? So if each grapefruit weighs 165 grams, how much will it cost to ship 40? So we're going to take this 6.6 and we're going to multiply it by 4, okay? 6.6 and we're going to multiply it by 4 because there's 1/4 of a kilogram because that's a 1/4 kilogram. So we're going to go 6 times 6.6 kilograms and we're going to multiply that by 4. And the reason we're doing that is because it is a 1/4 kilogram. So there's 4/4 in a kilogram. So we multiply that out. We should get 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 2, that would be 26. We're going to get 26.4. Now we're going to round that off to approximately 27. So approximately 27 1/4 kilograms. 1/4 kilograms. Multi-step problems. I tell you, they just keep making you think about what the next step should be. Now, the question though is 0.85. Coming back to this, we need to, how much is it going to cost? We have 27 1/4 kilograms here. We know what the number is, but now we need to multiply it by the amount. We're almost there. So we're going to set the problem up here. We're going to go 0.85, or you can just do 0.85. And you're going to multiply it by 27. You always want to round that up to the higher number. 0.85 times 27. 5 times 7 is 35. Carry the 3. 8 times 7 is 56. 56 plus 3 is 59. Keeping my numbers all lined up in the right place value. Place value holder, you can use a 0 or an X. Put a little line through there if you like. And we've already multiplied that number. I'm going to cross that off. 2 times 5 is 10. 0, carry the 1. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Add those all up, and you should get 5, 9, 12, carry the 1, 2, 2295. But don't forget, we have that decimal right there. When you multiply, it's like you're taking it out of the decimal equation, but you have to always put it back in. 1, 2, and then there we go. Believe it or not, there's our answer. We got it. So the answer would be, it will cost $22.95 to ship 40 grapefruits. Because with these, you always want to make sure that you answer it completely the way it's being asked. It will cost $22.95 to ship 40 grapefruits. All right. Hopefully you like grapefruits. I happen to love them. All right, everybody, we did it. Be sure to use that read, write, draw method, show your thinking, and we're going to move on to the next one.